Arrest them. Handcuff him.
Handcuff who? Handcuff Ikemba? In my own house? Is it because I allow you in? Is it because I'm interested in you? Are you okay? Officer. What's that name again?
I said Detective Jonas.
Which division?
Zone 6 Division, sir.
And who is your DPO?
There's no need for that. You have to come with us to the station.
Excuse me, officer. Are you a new police officer in this town? Do you actually know the house that you're coming to do this your arrest?
I don't just understand.
So I want you to know that whatever you say will be used against you in the court of law.
That's no problem. Go. We'll go. Go. We'll join you.
Okay.
Yeah. I said you can go. We'll join you later.
Yes.
You have to respect the fact that we even allowed you to enter the princess. Move. So, open the mouth. Get the cars ready. Rubbish. Capital. Let's see them in police station. No, don't worry. I'll be with that police officer right now.
Hey!
No.
I'm not afraid. No, capital.
Someone is about to.
Hey!
No problem.
This is the letter my maid dropped before running away, revealing how these two desperate demons bribed her to frame my fiancé up.
Women. Can you listen to her? Huh? A letter can be written by anyone. This cannot be used as an evidence against my brother and I. We need the presence of the young lady to prove it herself.
That's true. Why didn't you come with her?
She dropped the letter and ran away.
She dropped the letter and ran away. Can you listen to yourself? I thought you're smart. I didn't know you're just a local princess without bread.
Don't you then talk to my wife like that.
Who is this one? Huh? Where did you borrow the guts to talk to him like that? You that is not even qualified to work as a secretary in one of our establishments. You want to go? Come. I don't blame you. I blame his change rate. Change the $2,000. Yeah, GPO, sorry, my brother.
My princess, I'm sorry, we cannot establish this case for now. There is no evidence at hand. This letter is a mail in written letter. It's not enough evidence to establish case against Ikemba and Capital. Let the young lady come and explain to us how these two young men bribe her to frame your man up. Without this evidence, we don't have a case for now.
Oh, don't worry, thank you. We appreciate it. We'll see you later.
I'll make sure I find her. And when she comes, I know she will definitely testify against these two devils. But please, do the right thing when she comes.
This is my job. As soon as I have the evidence, I'll take up the case.
Bastard! Move! So dead? How? How is it?
What is it?
We traced her to her maternal home. Immediately she saw us, she took to her heels. We ran after her, only to meet her dead.
Road. Was she run over by a car?
No, she was shot dead. It's so scary and confusing.
Chioma is dead.
They did it. Those devilish twins. They put her down to kill this case.
Mama, let me go. I'll get back to you. What are we going to do?
How did he go?
It's a done deal, boss.
Let's go there immediately. You're going to inform me all the money I spent on the father. Yes, nonsense. Every company.
You killed Chioma. The both of you thought killing Chioma will help you bury the case. You wasted that girl just like that.
Rubbish. You cannot be distracted with these your kakampu stories. You don't know any Chioma. You are heading to the palace before you blocked us with this your cheap car. I can see you're no longer interested in this marriage. Me, I'm not interested too. But you have 48 hours to provide all the money I spent on your father's burial. Yes, abandon this kingdom.
Your true colors are beginning to manifest. I've always known you've been pretending all this while. Let me make this clear to you. Nobody is giving you a dime. We never forced you to spend money on my father's burial or Ofala. Did we force you to spend money? Did we?
Shut your mouth up. Now, Poala. You will spend all the money that how much did you spend? Why didn't you reject the money when he was bringing out for food, drinks, cows, music, everything that was spent on your father's last Ofala? You're not gonna fear on. Like you see that money, all of you will pay it. All the money. In fact, one Kobana I'm for.
You heard her loud and clear. Loud and clear. No one forced you or your brother to spend a dime.
Exactly.
Yeah. They help him. What happened in 1966 will be a child's play. Just keep your mouth shut. Let me talk to a human being. You hear me? I hear you, madam. You have 2 days to provide my money. 1.5 billion naira is the total bill. If I don't see it in 2 days, you run away from this kingdom naked.
Empty threats. You can't do anything. Listen, I stopped the both of you because I just want you to know that Chioma might be dead, but the law is still very much alive and the both of you will surely go to jail. Justice might be delayed, but it will surely prevail. You see, the both of you must go to jail.
Those are consolation words for those who lost the election. Keep deceiving yourself. The real justice will be in 2 days' time if you don't provide my 1.5 billion. You see, the both of you? I will kill you like Romeo and Juliet. Dara. Rubbish.
Body way to win, men no way to make money, the money long past River Nile. Make way for them body way to win, capital men no with capital money.
What's the meaning of this? So what is this nonsense? Why have you come to disrupt this holy and sacred process? Are you okay?
Local process. We are not here to distract anybody. We are here to put an end to it. Nobody will be crowned king except me.
You lie. You lie! This throne belongs to my kid brother. My husband will keep it safe till my brother is grown. Take this crown from this place and you will never walk out from here alive. I dare you!
Why are you wasting time? You come back. Take anything that belongs to you.
Yes. Yes.
Take. Anything.
You want to crown the wrong king. Wrong king. You want to crown the wrong king.
I'm telling you what belongs to me.
Yeah. Let's go.
So, if anybody messes around here, leave the bullet in his mouth.
No! I'm going to get the crown. No!
I have the crown! My elders, I'll be right back. I knew this was going to happen, so I hid the original crown on South. I bought an exact replica. That is what Ikemba and his brother left with.
Yes. I was actually trying to stop the crowning to go and bring the original staff of authority and the crown before they eventually stormed in. They went away with the fake ones, not the original ones.
Wow. This is quite a smart move. My son, you are indeed an intelligent man. And I am so happy that this throne will be entrusted into your hands. I'm so happy.
Thank you, my queen.
You're blessed, my son.
Oh no! Let the crowning continue.
That's what. By the powers vested in me as the Onowu of this great kingdom, I hereby crown you Igwe Atakatabu Nkis.
Atakatabu.
Igwe. Cha kolofia kwenu.
Yeah.
Kwenu.
Yeah.
Kwezwenu. I swear by the staff of the kings that I shall protect this throne with my life. And when Afamefuna comes of age, I will step down so he can sit on the throne of his forefathers.
Igwe Atakatabu Nkis. Igwe Atakatabu Nkis.
Igwe Atakatabu. Igwe Atakatabu Nkembu. Igwe Atakatabu Nkembu. Dirikwa o.
Atakatabu. My elders, we have the royal beads here.
Yes.
We even have the staff. And the crown is here.
That is.
So, in the absence of the Onowu of Nkolofia Kingdom, any other cabinet member can act on his behalf.
Yes.
Oh no. Ikemba, please kneel and let me crown you the king of Nkolofia Kingdom.
Exactly what I would do.
Yes. Yes.
I never knew go.
Yes.
Yes, that's what we're talking about.
Ikemba, by the powers vested on me as a cabinet member of Nkolofia Kingdom, empowered to act in the absence of the Onowu, I hereby crown you the Igwe Akumbowarobo Nkisisi, the first of this kingdom, Nkolofia Kingdom. Tuoni Igwe! Ikemba! Tuoni